Hey there, it's Ryan here. I'm about to do the unthinkable. Let's go ahead on my iOS device. We're going to turn off our ad blocking. That's right. We are going to browse virtually butt naked and see what that experience is like. Are you ready? Let's take a look here. I'm doing a search for all of the NBA 2K releases that came out on PC. And here we go. Top result looks like it should help us. And it's on PCGamingWiki.com. Let's check it out. Trying to find out all the years NBA 2K has come out for PC. All right, there we are. Got an autoplay video for Google. And you can't get rid of that. You can pause it, but it's still eating up your data and your resources. And we've got a banner down here for Doom Dark Ages. Looks like we can close it. And I didn't accidentally open up a pop-up, which is great. And then we've got another Google ad here. And it looks like you could close that with that X on the top right. Okay. But it still lets you know that the ad was served by Google. All right. Oh, now we have an autoplay video from up above that has now found its way to the screen near the middle, mid lower right. And it looks like you can close it if you have tiny childlike hands. There's an X at the upper right corner. This is an awful experience. Oh, and I was able to close it, so that's pretty cool. All right. So overall, I will let you know without having any type of ad blocking on, surfing the internet on the Safari mobile browser is awful. And this looks nothing like, look, this ad started up again, but it's a new ad. Now it's for Yahoo. Search for waste and trash containers. I'm wondering if these ads are not targeted to me because I have not searched for trash bags or trash cans in a long time. This is absolutely awful. This is nothing like what I'm used to. Let's see what happens when we turn our AdGuard DNS connection back on. And I have a custom DNS server that has some whitelisted domains. Then I have AdGuard Pro because that AdGuard, that custom DNS server, it will run out of connections before the month ends. So let's just go to the AdGuard Pro. And we're going to load that page up again, PC Gaming Wiki. And look how different it is. Those ads, those autoplay videos, they don't load. The page is more responsive, faster, using less resources, less gobbledygook on the screen. Man, if you browse, use apps, and you're not blocking ads, I don't know how you do it. And you must have the fanciest of new phones to be able to run all that because it drags most of my devices down, at least some. It's at least noticeable. And it's just awful. And when those ads pop up, like if I'm not blocking them, I I'm just looking at them with disgust. I'm not focusing in on, oh, hey, what's that item? I immediately recognize what's on the screen as an ad and I hate it. I would never press it and buy anything because I just hate it. It's so intrusive and annoying. And I'm not the argument of, oh, well, these websites, need to generate revenue to provide you with their content. And there has to be a better way because what we just saw is, I'd say, at a scale of 1 to 10 of being like the worst and most obtrusive and annoying, maybe it was a 6. I've seen even worse. We all have, but it's still pretty awful. And I know there can be another way. So there you go. That's what it's like to be brave, to be bold in 2025 and surf without any ad blocking. It's an awful experience. What do you use to block advertising on your mobile devices, your laptop, tablet, PC? Share with us. I use AdGuard's DNS, and I know that the exchange there is they can see everywhere I'm surfing, but it is the trade-off I can make. I also have a premium NordVPN account, which can do some blocking, some effective blocking through the VPN as well. But when you're surfing always on VPN, you run into issues. Split tunneling can help, but it depends on what you need to do, what's allowed for work. I can't be on a VPN and I can't risk logging in with a VPN. So that kind of creates a hassle. And right now, the AdGuard DNS ad blocking is the best way for me for now, but I'd love to hear what else is out there. So share your knowledge, or if you have questions, ask your questions. Thank you.